Looking for Angel Food Cake Pans? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 best Angel Food Cake Pans available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect Angel Food Cake Pans for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 7 on our list, we have the Chicago Metallic Professional 2-piece 9.5-inch Angel Food Cake Pan with feet. When using the Chicago Metallic Angel Food Cake Pan 9.5-inch, home chefs may feel like professional bakers. The pan has a 2-wheeled tube design that can accommodate up to 16 cups. It has a silicone-based non-stick coating and may be used in the dishwasher and in the oven up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This Angel Food Cake Pan set is made of heavyweight aluminized steel for improved heat conduction and uniform baking, and it has an easy-release, silicone-based non-stick coating for simple baking and cleanup. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 6 on our list, we have the Nordic Ware Angel Food Cake Pan. Nordic Ware Platinum Collection Angel Food Cake Pan is number 1 on our list. This fantastic pan was designed with a business purpose in mind. This device has a 16-cup capacity and a 10-inch diameter, so it should be able to feed the amount of people you need to feed at once. This pan was designed to make excellent angel food cakes with a golden crust. Nordic Ware Platinum Collection Angel Food Cake Pan is constructed of sturdy cast aluminum. This pan's immaculate aluminum construction ensures that it is lightweight and evenly distributes heat. Furthermore, it provides quick heating and will stand the test of time. It will not corrode over time as a result of this. Furthermore, this bakeware includes a superior non-stick coating on the interior to ensure that cleaning is simple and that the device discharges quickly. At number 5 on our list, we have the Baker's Secret Signature Round Cake Pan. This is yet another 2-piece set that works beautifully. This one, like the previous one, has a silicone non-stick covering. It not only ensures perfect browning, but it also makes cleanup a breeze. The pan's dimensions are 10 inches by 4.5 inches, and the height is 4.5 inches. The pan is composed of cold rolled steel and is very long-lasting. It's dishwasher safe, but because to its coating, it doesn't take long to hand clean. This specific pan appeals to me since it is made of a durable material and the detachable bottom has a tight enough connection with another element to prevent batter leaking. At number 4 on our list, we have the Chef-Made Mini Bundt Pan Set. The Chef-Made Mini Angel Food Cake Pan comes with 4 baking pieces that are coated in a food-grade silicone that is free of harmful chemicals. Bake your fluffiest and lightest angel food cake at the optimum person size with minimal oil. Angel Food Cake is one of the most popular yet challenging to make desserts. However, with the best skillet from our list, you can quickly prepare a delectable dessert that will make your visitors feel as if they are in paradise. At number 3 on our list, we have the Calphalon Non-Stick Bakeware Angel Food Cake Pan. Interlocking non-stick layers are included in the Calphalon Non-Stick Bakeware Angel Food Cake Pan. This surface prevents your angel food cake from sticking to the pan. Calphalon claims that its non-stick bakeware releases the cake up to 2 times faster than their classic bakeware. This almost guarantees that your angel food cake will come out of the pan. Furthermore, because this pan is a single-piece design, it is a very useful feature. The Angel Food Cake Pan is composed of heavy gauge steel and is designed to properly distribute heat. It's also a little higher than the rest. It has a diameter of 10 inches and a height of 4.5 inches. Once you have completed baking in this pan, cleansing it's simple. In reality, it's as straightforward as popping it in the dishwasher. That is correct, Calphalon states that their Angel Food Cake Pan is dishwasher safe. If, however, you really do need to wash it by hand, just use warm soapy water and a non-abrasive cleaning pad. It's also oven safe up to an astonishing 500 degrees Fahrenheit. At number 2 on our list, we have the Nordic Ware Heavyweight Angel Food Cake Pan. The Nordic Ware Proform Heavyweight Angel Food Cake Pan is produced in the United States of America and is composed of thick aluminized steel that resists corrosion and warping. This kitchen gadget allows for uniform and gentle heating. This cake pan has a single-piece design, but a silicone-based non-stick covering for easy cake release, so you don't have to worry about getting trapped inside. The pan's non-stick coating is non-Teflon, PFOA-free, and PTFE-free. It has a large capacity and can produce a delicious angel food cake for up to 12 people. Additionally, cheesecakes, chiffon cakes, fruit cakes, and other types of cakes can be made. And finally, at number 2 on our list, we have the Fox Run Loose Bottom Angel Food Cake Pan. The Fox Run 4795 Loose Underside Angel Food Cake Pan is made of durable but lightweight aluminum. This pan has a dropout in the base for simple removal, and the middle tube helps your biscuits grow uniformly. This lightweight pan out of Fox Run includes 3 feet for fast cooling. This pan works well for angel food cakes and model gelatin desserts. It is made for hand washing only. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.